What if you could unlock the secrets to financial independence and lasting wealth? Imagine a life where you are not shackled by financial constraints, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without monetary worries. This might seem like a far-off dream, but it's entirely possible. And today, we're going to show you how. We're diving into the teachings of one of the most practical books on personal finance, The Simple Path to Wealth. Penned by J.L. Collins, a seasoned investor and financial educator, this book is a treasure trove of intelligent wealth-building strategies. Collins simplifies complex financial concepts, making them accessible to everyone. He encourages a stress-free approach to investing, advocating for long-term wealth cultivation rather than quick, risky gains. So are you ready to set foot on the path to financial independence? To learn the art of managing money, and to unlock the door to a future of wealth and freedom? Embark on this journey to financial independence, and let's unravel the wisdom within. First up, time in the market. The secret to wealth is time. No truer words have been spoken, especially when it comes to the art of investing. You see, diving into the investment world early on is a key component of any successful wealth-building strategy. It's not just about the money you invest, but about giving that investment the opportunity to grow over time. This is where the magic of compound interest comes into play. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls further and further, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster. That's exactly how compound interest works. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. It's a cycle that, given enough time, can turn even the smallest investment into a substantial sum. So start your investment journey as soon as you can. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, time is an investor's best friend. Live below your means. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep. A profound truth, isn't it? It's not about the size of your paycheck, but about how much of it you manage to hold on to. This brings us to the principle of living below your means. It's a simple, yet powerful concept. When we say live below your means, we're talking about making a conscious choice to spend less than you earn. Sure, it's tempting to indulge in the latest gadgets or the trendiest clothes. But remember, every dollar spent on non-essentials is a dollar less saved for your future. It's about prioritizing your financial future over the instant gratification of unnecessary expenses. Creating a budget, tracking your spending, and differentiating between needs and wants all play a significant role in this process. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices. Remember, wealth grows where expenses are kept under control. Long-term investment outlook. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. This is a fundamental wisdom that we all need to internalize. When we talk about investing and wealth creation, we're not talking about a quick turnaround. No, we're talking about a long-term perspective, a perspective that spans years and even decades. Now you might be tempted to try and time the market, to buy low and sell high. But here's the truth, it's nearly impossible to predict market fluctuations consistently. Even the most experienced investors find themselves at the mercy of market volatility. So, instead of trying to time the market, adopt a long-term outlook. Invest in solid, reliable entities. Stick with your investments through the ups and downs, the bull markets and the bear markets. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Over time, the power of compound interest will work in your favor and your wealth will grow. Stay the course and let your investments work for you. Avoid debt. Debt is the enemy of wealth. It's a hard truth, but an essential one to grasp. High-interest consumer debt, like credit card debt, can be a crippling foe in your journey to financial independence. It's like running a race with a heavy backpack. It slows you down, exhausts you, and makes it harder to reach the finish line. Imagine for a moment that you're paying 20% interest on your credit card. That's like giving away 1/5 of your hard-earned money every year. It's a costly habit that keeps you in a constant cycle of repayment, leaving little room for building wealth. But don't despair. Prioritizing debt repayment can set you free. It's like shedding that heavy backpack during your race, suddenly making the finish line seem so much more attainable. Pay off your high-interest debts first, then move to the lower-interest ones. Remember, every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been invested in your future. To build wealth, make it a priority to eliminate debt. Diversify your investments. Now let's delve into the world of investment diversification. Picture your wealth as a tree. Just as a healthy tree sprouts many branches, A robust investment portfolio must be diversified across different asset classes. This strategy helps to mitigate risk. If one investment underperforms, others in your portfolio can offset the loss. In the world of business, few names resonates with innovation and diversity quite like Richard Branson. From music to airlines and space exploration to telecommunications, he has an indelible mark on countless industries. Diversification is not just about spreading your money across different sectors, but it's also about varying the types of investments. This could mean a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cash. Remember, diversification doesn't guarantee profits or protect against loss in declining markets, but it does increase the chances of achieving steady growth over the long term. Diversification is the key to managing risk and ensuring steady growth. Strive for financial independence, the ultimate goal. It's the stage where your investments yield enough passive income to cover your living expenses. But it's not just about having enough money to retire comfortably. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions without the worry of financial constraints. It's about waking up to a Monday morning with the thought of doing what you love, not what you have to pay the bills. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are not shackled by financial obligations. It's the liberty to make choices that are not dictated by your paycheck. So start today. Begin that journey towards financial independence. Invest wisely, spend judiciously, and live within your means. Remember, it's not a sprint but a marathon. It's a commitment to a lifestyle of discipline and prudence. Financial independence is not just about money, it's about freedom. Master the art of money. Understanding money is the first step towards financial independence. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but rather comprehending its intricacies. To truly master the art of money, we must grasp the fundamental differences between assets and liabilities. Assets, in essence, put money into your pocket, while liabilities take it out. Investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate can generate passive income over time. On the other hand, liabilities like car loans or credit card debt can drain your resources. Recognizing this distinction is crucial to making informed financial decisions. Moreover, understanding money extends to the realm of saving and investing wisely. It's about striking a balance between current enjoyment and future financial security. It involves making prudent choices today that will compound over time, leading to substantial wealth in the future. Remember, the goal is not to have money rule your life, but to have it work for you. Knowledge is the foundation of financial independence. Simplify your lifestyle. Wealth isn't about extravagance, but simplicity. Let's shift gears and talk about lifestyle. It's often said that living a simple life is not only about saving money, but also about enriching your life. It's about making mindful choices, trimming unnecessary expenses, and embracing a frugal lifestyle. It's about understanding that the best things in life aren't things. When we simplify our lifestyle, we create room for what truly matters. We create space for joy, creativity, and yes, wealth. But remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about deciding what you value most and aligning your lifestyle with those values. It's about living within your means, not because you have to, but because you choose to. Living a simple life doesn't mean you're settling for less. It means you're choosing to enjoy the richness of life without the weight of material excess. As the saying goes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So, are you ready to embrace the power of simplicity? Establish an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. In the realm of financial wisdom, an oft overlooked yet crucial aspect is the establishment of an emergency fund. Imagine it as your financial safety net, designed to catch you when life throws those unexpected curveballs. You see, it's not about if these unexpected expenditures will come, but when. Illnesses, car repairs, job loss, or even a global pandemic can drastically impact your financial stability. It's in these times that an emergency fund becomes your financial life preserver. A good rule of thumb is to have enough in this fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This provides a buffer, allowing you to navigate through unforeseen circumstances without the added stress of financial insecurity. And remember, the purpose of this fund is not for investment or daily expenses, but purely for emergencies. An emergency fund is the cushion that softens life's blows. It's the peace of mind amidst the storm and a cornerstone of financial independence. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial independence. Your time and attention to these principles prove that you are ready to take control of your financial future. But remember, knowledge without action is like a car without fuel. It's impressive, but it won't get you anywhere. So let's take these principles and put them to work. Start by establishing your emergency fund, live below your means, diversify your investments, and strive for financial independence. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth that lasts. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about freedom. So subscribe and hit the bell icon that you get notified once we upload a video. Thank you for your time. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Let's take this journey to financial independence together.